Namaste. Welcome to the continuation of part 2 of the Ajanta Strilinga Prakaranam series. Today we will continue to learn the Ikarantaha Strilingaha Shabdaha. This is a review of each case along with their English meanings. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Shri Shabdaha Shrihi Shriyau Shriyah Shriyam Shriyau Shriyah Shriya Shribhyam Shribihi Shriyai Shriye Shribhyam Shribhyah Shriyaha Shriyah Shribhyam Shribhyah Shriyaha Shriyah Shriyoho Shrinam Shriyam Shriyam Shriyi Shriyoho Shrishu He Shrihi He Shriyau He Shriyah. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Hri Shabdaha Hrihi Hriyau Hriyah Hriyam Hriyau Hriyah Hriya Hribhyam Hribihi Hriyai Hriye Hribhyam Hribyah Hriyaha Hriyah Hribhyam Hribyah Hriyaha Hriyah Hriyoho Hrinam Hriyam Hriyam Hriyi Hriyoho Hrishu He Hrihi He Hriyau He Hriyah. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Dhi Shabdaha Dhihi Dhiyau Dhiyah Dhiyam Dhiyau Dhiyah Dhiya Dhibhyam Dhibihi Dhiyai Dhiye Dhibhyam Dhibhyah Dhiyaha Dhiyah Dhibhyam Dhibhyah Dhiyaha Dhiyah Dhiyoho Dhinam Dhiyam Dhiyam Dhiyi Dhiyoho Dhishu He Dhihi He Dhiyau He Dhiyah. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Bhi Shabdaha Bihi Bhiyau Bhiyah Bhiyam Bhiyau Bhiyah Bhiya Bhibhyam Bhibihi Bhiyai Bhiye Bhibhyam Bhibyah Bhiyaha Bhiyah Bhibhyam Bhibyah Bhiyaha Bhiyah Bhiyoho Bhinam Bhiyam Bhiyam Bhiyi Bhiyoho Bhishu He Bhihi He Bhiyau He Bhiyah. These are the words which we have learned today. Shrihi means Lakshmi Devi, Hrihi means shame, Dhihi means intellect, Bhihi means fear. Dhanyavadaha.